Okay, good morning to everyone. Myself Iramanjnelu. Today I am going to explain some more problems in question of points. For this, the problem given that the point A is on HP and 40 mm in front of VP. 40 mm in front of VP. Another point B is on VP. Okay, and below HP. Okay, based on the given data, point A and B, we need to draw the projections of point A and B. Next, the given one condition, that is the line joining their front views makes an angle of 45 degrees with XY, and while the line joining their top views makes an angle 30 degrees. Okay, in previous case we solved the same problem based on the projection between 2 points, that is point A and point B. But in this problem, they given distance between the two projectors. From that, we drawn front views and top views, the line joining front views and top views. But in this problem, they not given the distance between the two projectors, but they given the line joining angles. Okay, based on that, we need to find the distance between the point B from HP. Okay, they not given in front of VP. They just said 40 mm in front of VP. Another point B is on VP and below HP. They not given how much below HP. We need to find out that distance from HP. That is, find the distance of point B from HP. Okay, we need to find out the distance, that is below in front of distance. We need to find out. Okay, sorry, below HP. How much below from horizontal plane? We need to find out that distance. First, draw the reference line XY. First, draw the reference line XY. Okay, it is the reference line. Okay, first draw the position of point A on XY, any point. I am taking this point. Okay, here the point given condition is the point A is on HP. The point A is on HP and 40 mm in front of VP. On HP in front of VP, so that it is first quadrant. I am taking this one as first quadrant. Okay, the front view, because the point is on HP, so that the front view is on XY. Okay, it is the point A dash, it is the front view, and in front of VP the distance is 40 mm, so that from this point the top view is 40. It is point A. That means suppose this is vertical plane and this one is horizontal plane. Okay, vertical plane and this one is horizontal plane, so that the point is on HP. Okay, at a distance of this point to this point, this plane to this point is 40 mm in front of VP. That means this point to this point distance is 40. The front view, suppose if you view from this object from this side, this view is on XY. It is the line XY. The position of this point is fall on XY. The top view is on HP at a distance of 40 mm. Suppose if you rotate this plane into 90 degrees. Okay, what happened? This distance is from this point to this point distance is 40 mm. Okay, that is this point to this point distance. Okay, it is 40 mm. It is 40. Now we completed position of point A. Now we need to calculate, draw the position for point B. Here they given the data of point B is on VP and below HP, but they not mention any distance from point A to B, so that we cannot choose any point. For that, they given one more clue, that is while the line joining the top views makes an angle 30 degrees and front views makes an angle 45 degrees. It is the front view and it is the top view. Suppose by using protractor we need to draw first 45 degrees line. Okay, first 45 degrees line. Here the point given, that is point B is on HP below VP. Okay, on HP below VP means it is definitely fourth quadrant. You can take it as fourth quadrant. Okay, in fourth quadrant both points are, both vertical plane and horizontal planes are below XY. Okay, so that the front view is definitely come under below the XY. So that we need to draw 45 degrees line from point A dash A, from top view 45 degrees. It is the 40, 45. Okay, from this we need to draw one 45 degrees line. Okay, and on now 145 degrees line. Similarly from A we need to draw 130 degrees line, because the top view is, because it is on XY, definitely because it is on VP, so that the top view is on XY. 30 by using 30 degrees line. Okay, using 30 degrees line, the line intersect the XY line at one point. It is the top view. It is the top view, that is B. Now we got top view. Next, draw the projection parallel to the A dash A. Draw the one line. Okay, it will intersect this 45 degrees point at one line. This point is known as B dash, which is top view. Okay, like this we need to draw. It is 45 degrees and this one is 30 degrees. Okay, we need to find out this distance, that is from this point to this point is 6.6, that means 66. Okay, 66 mm from the reference line. Got the distance of point B is placed 66 mm from the point B. We need to calculate this distance. Okay, we calculated this value, they are not given. Okay, like this we need to calculate the distance from point B from horizontal plane. Okay, next, the next problem is 2 points A and B are on HP. Okay, the point A being 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, the both points are on HP. Okay, on HP, and the point A is 30 mm in front of VP, on HP in front of VP, so that it is first quadrant, while the second point B is 40 mm behind VP. Behind VP means it is second quadrant. Okay, next, the line joining the top views makes an angle 45 degrees with XY. Find the horizontal distance between the 2 points. Okay, here they not given distance between the 2 points. Okay, we need to find the distance between the two projectors. Okay, first draw the XY line. First draw the XY line. Okay, it is the reference line. Okay, first draw the projection for point A. Here the condition is the point A is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, 30 mm in front of VP. Suppose I am considering one point here. From this point to this 30 mm in front of VP means we have to measure. It is the 30 mm in front of VP. Distance from this point to this point is 30 mm. Okay, in front of VP. In front of VP means it is the top view. Okay, that is A. The point is on HP, so that the front view is on XY line. It is the projection of point A. Similarly, we need to find out projection of point B For that, they not given distance between this point, that is projector of A and B, so that we need to identify. Here the point B is second quadrant, so that definitely the top view, definitely here the point B is on VP. Based on the given condition, the point B is on HP and 40 mm behind VP. Behind VP means it is the top view data. Okay, behind VP, definitely it will above the XY, because in second quadrant both VP and HP horizontal planes are above the XY, so that the top view will definitely come above the XY. Okay, so that the point B is on HP, so that the top view is on the front view is on XY line and top view is behind the XY. Okay, for that they given one clue, that is the top views makes an angle 45 degrees with XY. Okay, for that first draw the 45 degrees line from point A, that is top view of point A. It is the top view of point A. From this we need to draw 145 degrees line. Okay, 145 degrees line. Measure the angle 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Okay, I drawn 145 degrees line. This is the 45 degrees line. Next, here they be given one condition, that is the point B is 40 mm behind VP, so that from XY to the distance from XY to point B, that is distance is 45 mm. Okay, it is the 45 mm line. From this we need to draw one parallel line to the XY. Okay, these two lines intersect at one point. It is the top view of point B. This line is denoted by TT. Okay, this point is top view of point B. Okay, so that it is the front view. It is B dash. Okay, like this we need to draw. Here distance from this point to this point is 45 mm. 45 mm. Okay, it is the line joining between top views of AB. Okay, next from this we need to find out the distance between the projectors, that is here the distance between the projectors we find out, that is 71 or approximately 71 mm. Okay, we need to find out this distance. I got this distance value is 72 mm. Okay, okay, coming to this problem. The problem given that the point A is 20 mm above HP and in first quadrant. In first quadrant means above HP, in front of VP. Okay, they not given in front of distance from vertical plane. We need to find out the distance. Apart from this, they given another clue, that is its shortest distance from the reference line XY is 40 mm. Okay, so that we need to draw the projections of the point A and determine its distance from vertical plane. Okay, first for this draw the XY line. Okay, next the point A is 20 mm above HP. First take any point, locate the point A. The point A is above HP. Above HP means it is front view. Next, in front of VP, they are not given. We need to find out this distance. The point A is some distance from vertical plane. We need to find out this top view. For this, they given one more clue. That is, its shortest distance from the reference line is 40 mm. For this, from A dash draw one line parallel to the XY. Okay. Next, we have to find out this distance from side view. For side view, we need to draw one more reference line. That is X1, Y1. Okay. The XY and X1, Y1 intersect at one point. That point is taken as point P. Next, the A dash, we draw one horizontal line. It intersects the point X1, Y1 reference line. That point is known as O1. Okay. Next, by using compass, measure 40 mm distance. Measure 40 mm distance. That is the shortest distance from point. Okay. From P as center with radius 40 mm, cut this line. That we got one intersect point. It is the A double dash. From this point to this point is 40 mm radius. The value is 40. Okay, from this point to this point, it is the shortest distance from point P. Next, from this, we need to draw one vertical line parallel to X1, Y1. It will intersect the XY reference line at one point. That point is taken as O2. Next, okay, P as center, P O2 as radius. Draw the arc. Okay, this arc intersect the XY at one point. Okay, it is the required point. It is O3. From O3, draw one horizontal line parallel to the XY. Okay, it is the top view of a point A. Okay, you have to find out this distance. From this point to this point, distance is 35. Okay, we calculated in front of VP. We need to calculate this distance. I got this value as 35 mm. Here the point A is 20 mm above HP. We need to give the dimensions. Okay, like this, we need to find out distances from the given condition of the problem. Okay, in first problem, we calculated the distance of a point B dash below the horizontal plane. Okay, next, in second problem, they given the data of 2 points. Okay, based on this, we first projected point A and they given an angle. Okay, that angle is 45 degrees. Okay, the line joining the top view is 45 degrees angle. Okay, based on this, we find out distance between the two projectors. In next problem, we find out in front of VP distance of a point A from vertical plane. Okay, thanks for watching.